I just wanted to come on today and share with you a little Black Friday haul that I've been waiting for a very long time. So I did a visible image, I always get that wrong, haul this Black Friday. They're like one of my favourite stamp companies, and I don't really have a craft budget, so I tend to save up and buy everything on Black Friday. Yeah, so I had a bit of a splurge. I think all of this cost me about £30, I'm not sure, something like that, because that was roughly what my budget was. So I picked up these, and they're clear stamps, and I've used them already, I couldn't wait. But I wanted to show you them in the packaging before I put them away. And I've used these like for art journals and stuff. I've had a go with them already, but I like any kind of texture for like backgrounds and stuff, so I thought these would be something that I use all the time. And I was just going to show you what I meant, because I've been doing a lot of art journaling recently. So like this one here, this is the start of an art journal page, and I've been using them in there. So I've enjoyed that. So I'm sure I'll get loads of use out of this one. I love this stencil with all these words. Thought it would be great to use with like texture paste and stuff, but I've been using them also in my normal handwritten journals just to like make titles, and even if I don't want the whole word, like I can make up my own with like just using different letters from each word. So I'll give you an example of that. So I've been doing my Bible journaling, and I used them here. So I used healing, and then I wanted the word heart, but it didn't have heart. So I'm really sorry about the camera shaking. I had to get a new filming set up, and this new one's not working, so I have to fix that at some point. So yeah, I wanted to get the word heart, but there wasn't a heart word, so I just used like the letters from here, and then I found an R and a T next to each other there, and I just mixed and matched, and I did the same for that one. So I've been enjoying using it as just a regular stencil for words, but I can't wait to like put texture paste through it. And then these ones I haven't used yet, but I want to soon. I got this background stencil. I thought that would make some cool like Easter cards, because I like to do like a cross in the middle and then the light coming out of it. I thought that might be fun, but I'm sure I'll come up with hundreds of ways of using that. Like maybe like a rainbow effect in the background with happy birthday in the middle, that would be cool too. This one is more of a mask than a stencil, because there's quite a lot of negative space, but I love this like messy scribble, it's really cool. And this one is a lot bigger than I thought it would be on the website, and I probably wouldn't have bought it if I had realised how big it was, like the spaces in between. I don't know why, but I do still like it, so I'm going to have a play and see if I can come up with a way of using that one. But I do think it's cool. And then I've got this one, which I thought would make a really cool Christmas card. It reminded me of when I was 15, I used to make Christmas cards with a very similar pattern on like a cube of, like a square of like cardstock, and then I would draw lines with my ruler and a gel pen, and then I would put blobs of nail varnish, because I didn't have rhinestones when I was 15, as like baubles, and that would just be my simple Christmas cards and a Merry Christmas peel-off sticker. And this reminded me of that, so I'm sure I'm going to come up with lots of ways of using that one. So that was my main haul. And then when I was shopping in Aldi's, a couple of days ago I think it was now, I bought this decorative trim. It's just stars. I thought I'd cut them apart and use them, and that was $1.29. And then I got this pom-pom trim. It's quite cute, and it's just red. It's a bit orangey in real life, but I still liked it, so I picked it up. And I got these 3 ribbons. This one says Winter's Wishes, I think. Winter Wishes. And then I love the snowflake and the stars. My mum-in-law, she makes a lot of nappy cakes when people have babies, and she uses a lot of ribbon, so I thought this might be nice for a girls one. But I'm definitely going to use that on Christmas cards, and I'll probably just use that for wrapping. So that's it, that's my small haul for this year. And I find that the more minimalist I'm becoming, the less and less I'm shopping, and I think the only other things I've bought this year are things like gesso, because I ran out, glue because I've run out, and things like that. So yeah, I don't do a lot of hauls, but when I do, I thought I'd share them with you. So yeah, I hope you like seeing my haul, and hopefully I'll be back with a crafting video soon. I've had some life stuff going on, and maybe I'll do an update video and let you know about that. Okay guys, thanks for watching and staying with me while I've been gone. I really appreciate it. Bye!